guys, it's Josh Explores here. Welcome back to another video. We are on this road. It's quite eerie. It's raining again. Thanks. Yeah, we are going to the water park. I will not be recording, sadly. My GoPro's dead. I was gonna. The GoPro's dead. Just, yeah. I'll record another water park another day. So yeah. Remember to look both ways. It's pretty cool here. Doldo. John Deere, S&J Outdoors will like that. God's sake. S&J Outdoors will like that. Probably J Outdoors as well, so I got that on shot for you. We have some less rain. Yeah. That looked cool. Stupid motorhome drivers.